Hi, I'm Tessa Hodgson and I'm the Cabinet Member in Pembrokeshire for Social Care, and I'm delighted to be talking to you today about Mental Health Awareness Week. I'm here on the fantastic Glen Beach in beautiful Saundersfoot, and it's a really appropriate setting to be talking to you about this year's theme, which is all about how nature can help improve our mental health and our feelings of well-being. We've all had a really difficult 12-18 months through the pandemic, and I'm sure many of us will have seen our mental health dip or perhaps suffered more serious mental health issues. And what I'd like to do today is just to encourage you to get outside, enjoy nature, whether it's sitting in your garden, listening to the birds, or a stroll on the beach, reconnecting with friends and families on a woodland walk. Even just a small amount of time outside in nature can give you a real boost to your mental health. My final comments are I wish you all the best as we come through this pandemic. It does feel that the news continues to improve, and it looks like hopefully in the next weeks and months we'll all be back to something approaching normal. So take care, look after yourself and your mental health. Thank you very much.